Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today it will be a very interesting vlog, and I am not cooking today. As you can see, I am rocking my red lipstick. I love it. I'm out and about in Amsterdam, and I'm going to pick up May from Ces Kitchen, a Filipina chef from UK, and we've been Instagram friends since the beginning of the year. And I haven't we really actually met in person yet, so this is gonna be the first time. I am picking up now in Amsterdam Central, and then from there on I'm gonna take you with me to Madam Pancake. And today we are in Madam Pancake here in Amsterdam City, and I am going to of course show you his newest pancake house in the city of Amsterdam. So I will come and join inside, so let's eat some pancakes. Eyeball thing.
Yeah. I was scared she wasn't going to turn up on the train.
Imagine I didn't show up.
I'll be destitute on the platform in Amsterdam by myself.
We've been Instagram friends early this year, right?
Spring?
Yeah. I was stalking her from the BBC Mary Berry thing that you made the lechon. I was a fan. So now here we are. I'm sitting here on pancake. So we are in Madam Pancake. Yay. So this is a part of Pita Queen. They make a very good pita, and owned by Mr. Mo and Iris. They're like friends who made a restaurant together. Iris is in the marketing side, and then Mo is the chef, and they created this pancake, like the American one. That has a pancake, but it's thin one. They call it panakukan.
Yeah.
So this is the American one, because we don't have it here, I think.
So it's fat and fluffy.
Yes. This is the hangover, right, with bacon and sausage, and onion. This is the Mamma Mia with mozzarella, basil, and tomato. And we have the plain one here with toppings.
And this is the maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Cookie crumble, honey, and lemon. And the maple syrup is very nice with the bacon.
This is maple syrup from Canada. No way. Okay, this is from Canada. It's so cute. Okay, I will give your pancake as yours.
Oh yeah, maybe I should just do a normal here.
So what I have is the one with mozzarella, tomato, and basil.
Oh, I'm getting on with this pancake.
I know it's floppy. Is it nice?
It's really good.
Wait. What this is pancake I like floppy pancake. That's good. Where's my bacon? I have a bacon.
It's my bacon.
No, actually you can customize as well. So you can get a normal pancake. What she took is you can customize it with goji berries,
chocolate.
You can literally make your own. So.
Oh yeah, look at that chocolate.
verdict. What do you think about the pancake?
I love the pancakes. It's nice and fluffy, which is what you look for an American pancake. And the chocolate is amazing. Love it. Bacon, can't go wrong with bacon. Goji berries, because I'm trying to be healthy.
So mine has like the mozzarella and basil and tomatoes on it. And for me, it's a bit of a revelation because it's kind of weird like to put mozzarella for me in pancakes, right?
I think it works. I've tried some of hers. Chapona charma.
No, it's so dark for me.
I find it weird to have bacon and chocolate. It works.
No, it works. It works. And yeah, the serving is very good, I think.
Very generous serving.
Yes, it's I think my advice, not I think my advice, it does make sense, like maybe for sharing, I think. This is for me, I could finish it. I'm not like a big eater, but it's very good. So come and visit Madam Pancake. It's located in LANGE. Is it LANGE? Near the red light district. After you eat pancake, go to the red light district.
Burn those calories.
So come here and visit Madam Pancake. It's very near from Central Station. It's like a 5 minutes walk, and you will be greeted by the most amazing staff. So